This is the Ufree beard and body trimmer. Let me give you a closer look at all of the different accessories and attachments that come with it. A lot of people like to give these as gifts. A lot of people like to get them as gifts. So it's nice that it has a nice box. Comes with a comb, charging cable, a little cleaning brush, all of the accessories and the stand for it to fit on. And it comes with a very nice manual that tells you how to use everything and put it all together. Taking a closer look, we have the main trimmer with the LED. We have the body trimmer with the removable guard. Oops! Foil trimmer, one of the adjustable heads. It's a detail trimmer. Here you have a different trimmer with a different adjustable guard on it. We have the nose hair trimmer here. And then we've got the 4 trimming guards that go on top of the main trimming head here. A place for everything and everything in its place. And this is what it looks like in super close-up mode. You want to change the heads. It's really easy. You just snap off one head and then you just position and snap on the other head. I'm going to switch to the detail trimmer now. Oh, I like this thing. That really gets in there and helps you make it perfect. Really nice job. Really, really nice job. The people at Ufree sent me this trimmer, and when you get sent free stuff, you never know what you're in for. This turned out to be a really, really good product that I'm very, very happy with. I'm really glad that they sent it to me. I'm really glad I had the opportunity to show it to you, to the people at Ufree. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.